Today is a really big day for us. We are so excited to take you guys along on our journey with us. Keep on watching, see what we're up to. Dad's taking us a tour where the moo cows are gonna be, So that was a spoiler alert. We're definitely getting cows today, and we are so excited. There's water in the creek. Shane has hooked up the trailer, and he's hauling me and Kanan and Eiley around, and he's just showing
You're awfully cute, Kanan. Who you got? What's your chicken's name? Red.
We're looking and trying to figure out where's the best place to start the fencing, where it's going to be a good place to get water to the cows and be able to feed them and check on them daily.
Nice little watering hole for the cows.
We're so lucky to have our property back up to our friend Barney and Lauren's property. We purchased this acreage from their family, and all this land has been in their family for a few generations. It's so neat to hear Brian tell us how the farm used to be ran when he was growing up. He said there used to be around 60 horses and anywhere from 60 to 80 head of cattle. Now we're headed over to the cattle farm to see which cows we want to bring back home. I know for sure that I'm going to get a female cow and Shane's going to get a steer. We've been talking about this so much and dreaming about it that we kind of talked Barney and Lauren into getting some cows too. They're going to get a steer, and so is Shane's Uncle Kelly. So now that we've picked out which cows we want, they've been sorted, and the farmer Larry here is going to weigh them, and then we're going to use the market value to figure out how much we pay him for each calf. Once this process is done, it's time to load the cattle into the trailer. You can see my husband backing it up, and we're ready to take the cows home.
Come on back. Okay, hold that. I think that's good.
What do you think, Sissy? Where are you taking the moo cows?
So red pole cows are easy to work with, and they're just known for their docile nature. Watch how they load up onto the cattle trailer. It's just like a dream. Red pole cattle are a crossbreed of the Norfolk Red and a Suffolk Dun. Both of those breeds are now extinct. Those breeds were used for beef and dairy.
Kanan, give it to him.
Red poles are considered to be a medium-sized breed. That's going to be such an advantage for feed efficiency. Barney and Lauren are just as excited about using this land to raise cattle on again. We cannot wait to see our kids grow up and have so many adventures with these cows. Just watching Lenora and Kanan with the cows today just makes us see how bright the future is going to be. Alright, so we made it back to our house with our cows, and we're just going to load them into the pasture right directly behind my and Shane's house. We really want to get the cattle friendly with us and get it used to coming up to us.
Oh, look at the donkey. Jasper's like, what in the world?
As you can see, Jasper had no idea what a cow was.
Jasper.
And I'm not too sure that these cows knew what a donkey was.
Look at him, he's like, what is going on?
He's like, what is this? This is my pasture.
Last time I did this, I was Lenora, like standing on top of the gate watching. I swear to God, up in my barn. Yep, it sure was.
So it's the next day, and the cows and the donkeys seem to be getting along pretty well. They're all accepting each other, except Jasper's pretty protective of his grain bin. But that's okay, we feed the cows over on the other side. And there is a huge round bale that all the cows and the donkey all love, and they all lay down and sleep around it at night and when they're doing their little naps. It's really cute. So I know us steers are going to be used for beef cows, but the little girl that I picked out and bought, she's going to be with us for a long time. I really want to try and make her a halter cow. I cannot tell you how excited that me and my husband are. This is a day that we have dreamed about for quite a while, to look out our back door and see that we have all of our chickens and our cows and our precious little donkey. Here we are, just giving him a little treat. He's been such a good boy and so accepting. Now he has 4 new calves to babysit after. We kind of just volunteered him for it, and he's taking it on. So this was our journey on how we got our cows. Stick around because I'm sure we're going to have a lot more videos about them.